The jury is sent out to deliberate to reach a verdict in your particular case. What happens after 2 days if they can't reach a decision? What happens next? You want to know what happens? Come join me in this walk as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. Okay, let's say you sued your doctor claiming that he was careless, causing you significant harm and injury. Your doctor denied all of your allegations and says, we'll see you at trial. Okay, 3 years down the road, your case finally comes up for trial. Your trial lasts 3 weeks, and now closing arguments have been made. The judge has given the jury legal instructions, and now they go back to deliberate. Hour by hour goes by without a decision. A whole day goes by without a decision. The jury is told to return the next day to continue their deliberations. An entire day goes by, a second day goes by, that they have been unable to reach a decision. But there's no note from the jury. There's no indication that they are at an impasse. What happens in this instance? I'll tell you what happens. Everybody just sits around and waits until the jury reaches a decision, or until the jury comes out with a note for the judge that says, Judge, we've been trying and trying, we've been discussing and arguing, and now we have been unable to reach a decision. We are at an impasse. Until that time, we are going to wait. You are going to wait. The defense attorney is going to wait. The judge is going to wait for a decision. The problem with going to trial is that none of us know the answer to the question about who is going to win and who is going to lose. That's one of the inherent risks of going to trial. Even though you may think you have a fantastic case, and even though we may have great experts to support our position, guess what? The jury may not like something, they may not believe something, and throw us out of court without anything. On the other hand, you might not have a fantastic case, and the jury still may find in your favor and give you money as a form of compensation. So there are all sorts of alternatives and options that can occur when you go to trial and rely on a jury to reach a verdict. So getting back to the title of this video, what happens if after a few days the jury still has not reached a decision? What happens is that we sit around and wait. And it could be days, it could be more hours, we don't know. So we have no choice but to sit around and wait. As eager and as anxious as we all are to learn a decision, we would love the opportunity to turn up the volume or turn on video and actually see and hear what's going on in the jury room. That doesn't happen in New York. It doesn't happen anywhere that I'm aware of. These jury deliberations go on in secret. They go on in the jury room. There is no video, there's no audio, and we have no idea what it is that they're discussing, nor do we have any idea what it is that's creating the problem that's preventing them from getting to a quick decision. Had we known that, we could have addressed it during trial, only if the jury comes back with a note or asking a question. Judge, the jury is having trouble understanding one of your legal instructions. Could you provide more guidance? Or Judge, we would like some evidence reread. We have a dispute about some of the evidence. And now the judge will discuss with the attorneys the particular question and a solution to provide information to the jury. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because this happens from time to time, and now we're sitting around waiting for days and days to reach a decision, a jury verdict, and people want to know what happens then. So hopefully this video gives you a clear insight into what occurs in that instance. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you are thinking about bringing a lawsuit but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.